The Corsair K65 RGB Mini comes in at $109 USD MSRP, but frequently drops down to $90 USD on sale. It is a compact 60% gaming keyboard, despite what the name says, with a sturdy feeling build and exceptionally low latency. Since it is 60%, to compensate for all the keys that were cut to reduce size, almost every key features a secondary input, which you can activate with the FN key. The K65 RGB Mini features a detachable USB-C cable, which becomes the standard among smaller keyboards. It also uses black PVT double-shot keycaps. Another unique feature it has, though it isn't especially helpful, is it supports up to 8,000 Hz hyperpolling, which raises the keyboard's input report rate to 0.125 milliseconds. This, however, is mostly imperceptible to most people. Underneath the keycaps, the K65 utilizes either Cherry MX Red or MX Speed Silver switches. This version uses the Speed Silver, which are the quickest actuation of all Cherry switches at 1.2mm actuate and 3.4mm to bottom out. This makes these switches ideal for gaming. The K65 RGB Mini is compatible with iCUE, Corsair's peripheral configuration software. Through iCUE, you can create keyboard profiles with custom macros, RGB lighting, and remapped keys. As far as iCUE goes, the software is fairly easy to use and I have no complaints and see no glaring issues as compared to other software such as Razer's Synapse. Next up is a typing test to showcase the sound of the board. As you can tell from the typing test, the K65 RGB Mini sounds great. The stabilizers are pretty good. There is a little bit of rattle to them, but nothing too crazy. But it overall sounds good. It has a very light typing experience, and it's going to be great for gaming. The K65 RGB Mini is a good keyboard coming in at $110 USD with a solid construction while having some interesting features. However, there are many other competitors in the 60% to 65% keyboard market that are just as impressive. If you manage to pick up the K65 RGB Mini on sale, however, you won't be disappointed with your decision whatsoever. If you liked this review, please leave a comment, like the video, and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.